Oh, aye. Ja guys, so, joh, is alweer Menenberg vanoggend. Selfe ding wat gebeur in die plein, selfe ding wat gebeur reg oor die hele Cape-flats. Is elke dag geskietery. As alweer iemand doodgeskiet vanoggend hier in die Menenberg. Yo, just before I made the live now, I spoke to a few of the young people and a few of the elderly people there on that side. Kan nou nie omgaan nie want is toe hy kante. Okay, as 'n polisie weer na in die skool en is hoe erg het is in onze communities en het is regtig wat erg. Ek weet nie wanneer gaan die stop nie. Kan ook nie HD gaan nie. Crime scene. Ja, sorry. Somebody shot in Menenberg again this morning early. Die vrou sê vir my, sy skrik so groot uit haar slaap uit. Almal die kinders en sy moet nog die kinders regmaak. Die kinders is wakker. Oi. Ja, in Menenberg, yo, die mense is such lovely people, yo, awesome and really is nice people here in Menenberg. It's just that sickness, you know, really not a nice thing. But it is what we are faced with. But I must say, like, I spend a lot of time in this community. En plus die mense onthou jou altyd vir jou werk wat ze doen, man. Sien ze? Is te veel keyboard warriors op. Hulle moet hier kom, hulle moet kom face hier die mense. Hulle moet kom face hier die realities. Môre. Alright. Jee, wat skrik julle so wakker en ganskote, jong? Huh? Ja, my ma. Drijfbuis? Ja. En hoe laat was hy geweest? Pa, 6. Jo, my broer, wat gaat die ganskote so af? Wat gaat die skote so af? Jo, ek hoor hy vrou sê, man, hy kan as dit 'n kar het, ja. Jo. 2 guns lig. Jo. Op die phone, nee, die mense moet nie video's vat en foto's van hy nie, man. Hy is mooi nie.
Ja, ek
Paalkie body gaat kyk.
ek wil nie kyk nie.
Ja.
Al die gesig, ja.
Al die gesig. Jo.
Hy praat buite die boer kom gestaan.
Ja,
Jo.
baie tyd.
Ja. Môre. Alright. En die kinders moet nog skool toe gaan op hier. Dis nou hulle breakfast, jo. Ja. Gaat die kinders nog school toe, my bro? Kinders gaat nog school toe. This is the realities that we are facing, guys. How are we okay with this? If the city of Cape Town or if provincial don't have a plan, then surely national should have a plan. But national is more interested in fighting each other. I don't know why they say it's a government of national unity when there's still too much fighting that's going on between the whole of the GNU. Hulle almal beklei mekaar, majority of the time. But look at the realities of what our people have to face. Huh? The politicians moet 'n bietjie hier kan loop. Hier kan loop in die Menenberg. Face die realities, praat met die mense. Yes, Bita. Hi, môre, hoe gaan dit? Lekker man, ja, ek is net 'n bietjie. Jo, breakfast is die breakfast vir julle. Jo. Ja. Wat kan is die ding is? Langs aan die pilaren. Het jy aangesit?
Ja, natuurlijk zo opvallen.
Suka met zaag, né?
Eh, mana ini kami gerecht,
Muna na siya so omgereed because I can't taba mensen. Go. Vroeg in de ochtend en waarom?
Ya, dan pizza, tapi kita perkembangan itu.
Go. The only way we gonna solve these things is if we ons moet regtig waar iets doen, man. Bring ons daar. Wil nou nie sulke goed praat. Hoor as jy like incite violence. But yo, there really needs to be a wake up somewhere. Maybe we should have a stay away. Everyone just stay away, just stop going to work. The whole economy stops. Government is forced to do something about it. Of ek weet nie, man. I got that. That wasn't my idea, but I got that idea somewhere. And I think it's a brilliant idea. Just stay away. Don't go and work. Because hoe gaat sy week toe kyk hier baie van die kinders gaan skool toe. Jou sy is by die week, jou kinders moet skool toe gaan vanoggend hier klappies skote. Wat gaan jy jou mind? Wat dink jy van die kinders? Wat gaan jy hulle mind kyk hier loop hulle? Hulle moet skool toe gaan. Jo, die geskieter is ook aan die skool. Wat There's a lot that our children have to deal with. Die is baie. Is regtig baie wat ons like is met deel mee, bro. Ja. Vroeg in die oggend ons is hier in Menenberg. Ja, wat sê dit is, man?
Ja, die senseless killings moet stop. Dat lyk soos dit gaan stop van die mense wat in charge is van ons omgewings. Hulle het 'n plan vir ons. They don't have a safety plan in die approaching December. En julle weet tyd van die jaar, die tyd is heeltemal los.
Exactly.
Daar is niks wat hulle in plek gesit het vir ons om die goedes te kan keer nie. Absolutely nothing. Guys, we on our own. We on our own. We as the community, we must stand up. We must stand up and try to. Ek weet nie hoe gaan ons maak nie. Ek weet nie. Ek is clueless.
Jo.
Regtig van die authorities. Nah,
absolutely niks wat kom van hulle kant. Ek meen, ons is vanoggend nou op pad na die education department toe. Hoor my ma? Alright. Ja, kom aan. Ons is op pad vanoggend na die education department toe. Ons het week wat opgelyn is vir ons. Right, en ons moet nou eers deal met dit. Because die man maak kinders groot hier in Menenberg. You know what I mean? Die man het ook 'n familie hier in Menenberg. Verstaan? Is in dieselfde pad in. Ek meen maar nou net. Kyk wat moet ons se kinders met lewe? Dis nou 'n normal vir hulle. Because ons government het ons gefail. Daai is die reality. Ons kan nie vir hulle blame vir die gunskote en die geskietery nie, because ons mense doen dit hulle self, maar op die einde van die dag is daar 'n social responsibility van government. Daar is some sort of responsibility van government wat hulle het teenoor die mense in die community. You know, so in dieselfde tyd ja, as hulle vir hulle blame nie. Ons kan nie vir hulle blame vir almal ons problems wat ons het nie. Wat baie van die problems wat ons face is goed wat hulle nie reg gemaak het nie. Gaan julle sien manne? It's the injustices of the past that wasn't fixed. It is so many things, as unemployment, as social ills, as klomp goede wat te pas te kom met die. As jy sommer net so nie. And it's not like people deliberately want to live like this. Do you think every person in our communities are... Sorry, I want to wipe the camera. Do you think every person in our communities want to live like gangsters want to live like by killing each other? No, it can never be. That can never be true and that can never be normal. Ek kan nie bro, ja, mense body lê al langs aan hy, dan is sê al in die gesig. Môre. Oi. Nee. So guys, dis hoekom raak dit belangrik vir ons om die march, die protest te doen parlement toe. Het gaat nie net oor die protest nie. Het gaat nie net daaroor nie. Het gaat oor ons wil vir hulle. Ons wil kyk wat gaat julle doen, man. You know what I mean? Like I said, as a government of national unity, I don't see unity. I might be wrong, but most of the time I see still the DA and the ANC fighting each other. Straight. Still the DA, the ANC fighting each other. This one is fighting that one. The DA is trying the best to clamp down on the PA, and you know, it's just so I don't see how the government of national unity is really wrong. Where they should be standing together, and I think that we should force them to stand together. So on the 15th, it's more about ons wil 'n memorandum oorhandig vir social development. Ons moet 'n van ons wil weet wat is julle plan? Wat is social development se plan vir ons communities, especially nou vir December? Wat is julle plan vir December? Ons wil weet van sports, arts en culture. Wat is die plan vir December? Dis waaroor dit gaan. Ons wil weet, ons wil vir julle 'n memorandum gee en die mense moet kan sien. Die mense moet kan sien wie is waar. So as ons 'n memorandum oorgee aan julle, dan moet ons wil weet by December watter programs het julle. Ons wil vir come and play wil ons terug in December in. Dis die dinge wat ons wil hê in ons communities in. Ons wil weet by social development, hallo, wat gaan aan? Wat kom van julle kant af? Ons wil weet by die minister van youth, women and persons with disability, wat is jou plan? Because ons was daar by youth parliament gewees, right? In youth parliament was 'n hoeveel dae event. Was daai nou net 'n smoke screen en daai is exactly wat ons vir hulle gevra het. Gaat ons nou net die nou so that we can tick boxes, and then after that nothing happens again. Almal die phone nummers wat hulle vir ons gegee het daarso en email addresses, het bounce terug. Hulle tel jy op die phone numbers exist nie. Ek wil vir hy minister vra aan wie dink sy aan wie speel sy? Sy is die minister for youth, maar dis 'n pensioner. Van daai mentality wat julle het hier in die land in. You're not going to give young people a chance to fight for themselves. You're not going to give young people a chance to step up in that space so that they can develop themselves. You don't want to have young people fighting for young people's problems. Kyk hier, wie doen hoe geskietery? As jong mense wat die geskietery doen, en dit is ook jong mense wat doodgaan. But you have failed us. And again, ek wil hierdie bakpaasie, I don't want to blame anyone. We have a responsibility as a community. Yes, right enough, but so does government. That's why there's a government. Anders dan moet ons maar die voting los. Alles dan moet ons maar die hele system, die governmental system los. As dit nie vir ons mense gaat benefit nie. Because the idea of voting is so that you can have a government in place that is there to see to your needs. Sy het nie 'n government in plek gesit, omdat, ja, ons wil nie vir government blame vir alles nie, en ons kan nie net aan mekaar sê, as die en die nie. Nee. Ons sê, het is die government entity, het is die organizations. We must say it like it is. We must stop being afraid, because that's why we are in the position that we are, because we're not willing to speak up, we're not willing to speak the truth, and we're not willing to face the music outside. The reality is that these political parties only come out when it's time to campaign. You'll see them go out. They are signing, having sign-up drives, they are having carcades, when the reality is here, coming to service the people. That is what the focus should be. But I don't know how the mindset works around that. I really don't know. I hope that there is something good that's attached to it. But guys, we are in the community of Menenberg. We are going to be on our way to the education department. We have a few things lined up. En dat iemand doodgeskiet is as gevolg gewees. Ons moet dink aan almal die dinge, guys. Ons moet dink aan almal die dinge. But anyway, I don't want to keep you guys too much on the phones, because there's work that needs to be done. Ons werk as jy op social media nie, ons werk as jy op die phones nie, ons werk as jy in die community. Dit kan nie klink dis 'n activist, dis 'n dinges, maar dis 'n deeldag op 'n phone en discuss mekaar nie. Guys, we need to wake up, man. Activism is not on the phone, activism is in the communities. So do what you can, man. That's the thing. And do your little bits there where you are. Do your little bits, because ultimately all of that little bits is going to add up into what we want to achieve, the bigger picture. Do your bits and pieces. Love your neighbor, respect die mense in die pad in, respect mekaar, bou sterk communities. Guys, waar het gaan. Have a good day, guys.